ClickBank, your gateway to online success. Want to make money online? ClickBank is a platform that can make it happen. It's packed with digital products you can promote and earn commissions from. But how do you stand out in the crowd and drive traffic to your offers? That's where smart marketing comes in. We're diving deep into some killer strategies to boost your ClickBank game without spending a dime on ads. Think of it like this: you've got an amazing product, but nobody knows about it. It's like having a party in the middle of nowhere. You need to invite people, get them excited, and show them why they need to be there. That's exactly what these methods do. The best part, these strategies are all about providing value. You're not tricking anyone. You're genuinely helping people by answering their questions, joining conversations, and becoming a trusted source of information. Get ready to unlock the secrets of ClickBank marketing. Quora Answers, your secret weapon for targeted traffic. Quora is a goldmine for free targeted traffic. People flock to this platform to ask questions and get answers. That's your cue. Find questions related to your ClickBank products and provide valuable, insightful answers. Don't just drop a link and run. Write detailed, helpful responses that establish you as an expert. Subtly weave in a link to your website or landing page where it makes sense. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, answer questions about healthy eating habits and exercise routines. Then mention your product as a helpful resource. Advantages? Tons. Quora gets massive traffic and your answers can stay visible for months or even years. Plus, you're reaching people actively searching for information related to your niche. Of course, there are downsides too. Quora wants high-quality answers, not spam, so take your time, craft genuine responses, and avoid being overly promotional. Blog comments, small actions, big results. Remember those blog posts you love to read? They often have a comment section powered by Facebook. This is another untapped source of free traffic. Find blogs in your niche that use the Facebook comment plugin. Read the posts, engage in the discussions, and leave thoughtful comments. When appropriate, include a link to your Level 1 content as a valuable resource. Think of it like networking at a conference. You wouldn't just walk up to someone and say, "Buy my product." You'd start a conversation, find common ground, and build a relationship. Blog commenting is similar. You're adding value to the conversation and positioning yourself as a helpful resource. The beauty of blog commenting is that it's highly targeted. You're reaching people who are already interested in your niche. Plus, your comments stay visible, creating a steady stream of potential traffic over time. Just like with Quora, the key is to be genuine. Don't spam comments with irrelevant links. Provide value, be engaging, and let your expertise shine through. Forum marketing, building trust, driving sales. Forums are like online communities dedicated to specific topics. And guess what? People love to talk about their interests. Find forums related to your ClickBank products and become an active member. This isn't about dropping links left and right. It's about building trust and credibility. Participate in discussions, answer questions, and share valuable insights. Once you've established yourself as a knowledgeable member, you can subtly introduce links to your content. Think of it like this: you wouldn't walk into a party and immediately start selling something. You'd mingle, chat with people, and build relationships. Forum marketing is the same idea. You're becoming part of the community, not just using it as a platform to push products. The advantage of forum marketing is that you're reaching a highly targeted audience, actively seeking information and solutions. However, it takes time and effort to build a reputation and avoid being seen as a spammer. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value. So you've made it this far, and you're seeing some success with your ClickBank marketing efforts. That's awesome. Now, it's time to think about scaling up. Scaling your efforts means reaching more people, increasing your sales, and ultimately boosting your profits. It's about taking what works and amplifying it. First, consider expanding your traffic sources. If you're currently relying on just one or two channels, it's a good idea to diversify. This could mean exploring social media platforms you haven't tapped into yet, or perhaps investing in paid advertising. Next, think about your content. Are there ways to create more of it or improve its quality? High-quality content can attract more visitors and convert them into customers. Maybe it's time to start a blog, create video content, or even launch a podcast. Also, don't forget about automation. tools and software can help you manage your campaigns more efficiently. Email marketing automation, social media schedulers, and analytics tools can save you time and help you make data-driven decisions. Lastly, always keep an eye on your metrics. Regularly review your performance data to see what's working and what isn't. This way, you can make informed decisions and continually optimize your strategy. Scaling isn't just about doing more, it's about doing more of what works. With the right approach, you can take your ClickBank marketing to the next level. Good luck! Now let's talk about integrating your marketing strategies. It's not just about using one method, but rather combining multiple approaches to maximize your reach. Think of it as creating a symphony where each instrument plays a crucial role. Email marketing, social media, SEO, and paid advertising, they all need to work in harmony. By aligning these strategies, you can ensure a consistent message across all platforms, which is vital for building trust and recognition with your audience. Crafting content that converts is both an art and a science. You need to understand your audience's pain points and desires, then create content that speaks directly to them. High-quality content isn't just informative, it's engaging and persuasive. Use compelling headlines, strong calls to action, and valuable insights to keep your audience hooked. Remember, the goal is to provide value while guiding them towards making a purchase decision. Tracking your progress is essential to understand what's working and what's not. Utilize analytics tools to monitor key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer engagement. This data will provide insights into your audience's behavior and preferences, allowing you to tweak your strategies for better results. Regularly reviewing your performance helps you stay on track and make informed decisions that drive success. Finally, remember that building a successful marketing strategy is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. Results won't come overnight, but with consistent effort and continuous learning, you'll see progress. Stay adaptable, keep refining your tactics, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals.